Hi guys, it's Candace. Welcome back. Okay, we're going to do another quick and easy, cute, simple project using an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. I'm using double printed paper again, but this one we're only going to get 2 out of here, but we're going to get a pocket tuck. So we'll glue it here and here, and if you want to put a finger hole in there so we can tuck that way. And then when this flips out, we'll have a little tab on here, so it's glued back there, but this one will pull out. So, and we'll have to put like some journaling space on here, or we can put a pocket. I mean, there's just you could do a lot extra to these if you want. So that's that one. And then you'll get a double tuck for a long side, and what you'll put in here is just like I know this is not long enough, but it'd be a long piece of dye paper, and you just put it in here, so that way they can open it and journal on here, and tuck it in here. And then we'll put another on this side so they can journal on that side too. And then on this side you have a little tuck spot here, so you could put a large journal card. I don't have one right here, but pretend this is a large journal card. Let's see. Well, no, that's not much for pretending. But anyway, you could put a large journal card in here to write on. You could put 1 or even 2 in here. But that is our quick and easy using a piece of paper, and you'll get 2 tuck spots out of it. So let's go ahead. I know I'm going to lose that again. Let's go ahead. Oh gosh, I have a mound right there. Alright, let me stick it to, well, heck. Alright, we'll just have to deal with it there. Okay, so all we're going to do, this one's really easy. We're just going to cut them in half at 5.5 by 11. So we're going to, I have this one. This is what's on the back, is a light gingham with a little argyle on the front. So let's cut it at 5.5. Okay, and then we're going to take a long one, and we're going to score at 1 7/8 and at 4.5. I got to pay attention because I got my 4 1/4 marked, but it's 4.5. And then on here, depending on what your design is, if it was, we'll have to do one on another one because this is here, and depending on what side of the page you're going to put it on, it all is different, adds up down the road. So we're just going to do that. That goes in here, and this goes that way. And then, like I said, this will go, oops, wrong one. This will go on our page like this, and then we'll have a double tuck that way, or fold it the other way, depending on, what design you want. Which I probably will do this because I'm liking this design here. And then you flip over, and we have this right here. And you could, if you don't want to make it a double tuck spot, you can always do like we did before, do a little pull out. But I think I'm going to do it like that. So we have that one, and then we're going to take this this way. And then we'll add a pocket to this later, but right now we're just doing the bases. So we're turning it short ways, well, long ways, I guess. We're going to score this one at 1 7/8 and 5 1/4. All right, and then on this one we fold this one in, that one that way. And then when we put it on our paper, our page, we're going to you know, glue this and this down, and we'll probably put a little bit of glue right there just to, you know, hold it. And then this will be, let's see what I got here. I know this is too long, but you get the gist. We got that. And then we can do a pull out like this, or we can glue it here and here and do a side tuck, a top pocket, and then just a flip out here too. So there's lots of things we can do. It's not just, you know, two options, but, and then like I said, when we do this, just pretend we'll have like that, and then we'll, oh, that would even go pretty with here, and we'll make that a little tuck spot there too, a pocket I mean. So that's that one. So let's do it again. I know this one's really easy, but I just want to see how my papers are going to turn out. Some might work better than others. Like this one, I don't know, but I'm getting ready to find out. Boy, I almost put my finger on the bottom on that thing. All right. I mean, as it is, I've injured my finger today. I'm rough. I am just rough on myself. You know, it'd be different if I was in shape and I could handle it. But I'm not. Okay, and 4.5. Okay, so this one I'm folding in. Whoops. So there's that. Let's see what that's going to look like. We'll have it. This is a little longer. It's weird how paper is not the same. So, you know, depending on your coffee dye paper or your other paper, you might have to trim a hair off because it's a little wonky. They're never the same. I don't understand. And then, you know, we'll put a little tucky here and a little tucky there. Here, tuck, there, tuck, everywhere, tuck, tuck. All right, and then here, we're going to score at 1 7/8 and 5 1/4. And then fold this and this. Yep, see, this one is not so bad, but, you know, it's definitely one of those directional things that, I don't know, maybe no one else would really notice. So, and if it bothers you, do it the other way. So, oh, let go of me. So you could do it like that, and then when you go like this, you still have the problem, you still have all that on there. So, you know, just got to see the lesser of two evils on this one. So, I don't know. We'll leave it like this for now, and then we'll address it when we come back, when we put them in our journals and decorate them. All right, this one might give me the same little grief, but we're going to see. You know, our Christmas tree could fall down. Tree down, tree down. Oh, okay. 1 7/8. And then, oops, I guess I need to 4 1/2. And then fold this in. And that, oh, and I'm upside down. Oh, well, doggone it. Well, this is one of those things that if you're going to use it, and you're having directional and you're doing, you know, front and back, make sure when you run this in, you run it in the same direction so it prints right. Because otherwise, I know why I did this, but I've already cut it. If you were to be using it, well, not that way. That's fine that way too. Because if you're going to fold them up for a pocket, then you want to do the back upside down and the right side up, if that made any sense. And am I even in frame? Yes, I'm in good enough frame. So that way when you flip it up, you have the right direction either way. So that is the little hint, is to make sure you do that. But we're just going to go with it because we're just probably going to have to decorate that. Oh, Candace, Candace, Candace. So it's cute that way. And it's cute that way. It's just our music's kind of upside down, but we'll have to put something on there, and then it'll just, it's music. I mean, it could have fell on the floor and all that good stuff. So there's that one. I know. There's no mistakes in paper crafting, where they say just opportunities. No, it's called artistic whatever, something. Where it is what it is because you, the artist, said that's how it's supposed to be. There's a word for it. I don't remember what. Okay. So now I have, oh, did I do the right one? Yes, I did. See, I'm running my mouth, not paying attention. All right, and there's this one that will go that way. And then we have this or that or whatever we're going to do with it when we put them in our little thing. I know I got 2 more to go. I know, I'm sorry. But I just want to get these done. And mainly to kind of see how my patterns are working. So I would definitely say, if you can get a, like this one, he's upside down, sideways and everything, he's going to be just fine. So, you know, try, if that bothers you, then try to make sure that you think before you print. Oh, what am I doing? Okay, I got 1/7, it's 4.5. Running my mouth, that's what I'm doing. 4.5. All right. I don't know. I gotta look and see who I like better. Maybe like that better. But like I say, once we put it on in our journal, then we'll decide which side that we're doing. That's a little gingerbread's house. So that's a gingerbread man. And then let's do his little house, which is going to be sideways. But hey, our gingerbread man can just be sideways because he fell down. Oh, artistic flair. That's what it is. It's artistic flair. It's because I said so. Bring the mama back in you. It's because I said so. Oh. But why, mama? Because I said so. That's why. All right. And then here's this little one. Like I said, it will probably go the other way. But let me just try it right now. Because I like the little gingerbread. But depending on what's on my page, you know, we will see. Okay, and one more. I know, just bear with me. All right, oops, got to cut it first. 5.5. Okay. 1 7/8. You think I remember, but nope, 4.5. You know, and if you want to make any of these scores, you know, a different size, then just make them what works for you. I mean, you have enough room. Like if you wanted to make this one, you know, the shorter side and this one a little longer, just take a 1/4 inch off of here, add a 1/4 inch over there. All right, so here's this one. So our little tuck spotty there, and our double one here. All right, and then let's see what our trees do. I know, tree down, 1 7/8. and 5 1/4. And there's that little one. All right. And I'll probably do this. I know. We're gonna have to do some, we're gonna be doing some decorating. But we'll just wait and see what it looks like, because it might be just fine. All right. Well, there you go. Another quick, easy, cute, and simple little project that will give you two tucks out of an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. And so that's, you know, 2 more. Well, that's actually 1, 2 pages, 3, 4 pages. So, you know, front and back. So 2 tucks, but 4 pages covered. All right, we're going to fill this puppy up. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope it's something that you haven't seen before. Like I said, something new to me. I hope you give it a try. And like I said, once I get a couple of little journals, I've kind of got a few pages. Once my paper dries upstairs, then I'll be able to put these together because I dyed some green, some kind of mauve-y, reddish pink, some blues, so that way I can work them in with regular coffee dye and some digital paper, just to kind of, you know, give a little oomph. Oops, before I forget this one over here too. And then we'll get them all put in there, and then we'll decorate it, and we'll have a quick and easy, cute, simple journal that, you know, hopefully won't take a lot of time putting them together once we make these little pockets and stuff, and we can actually see what we get. Like I said, I hope this isn't a fail. I hope this works. But we'll see together. All right, guys. I will see y'all tomorrow. Thanks for sharing some of your time with me. Thanks for sharing some of your day with me. Thanks for all your love, your support. And like I said, I hope you come back. I hope it's something that you liked. And I will see y'all tomorrow. So lots of kisses, lots of love. And y'all have a great day and a blessed day. Bye, guys.